studios, and we start tonight with breaking news from a Racine County courtroom, a verdict in an election fraud trial.
All right, Adam Reif joins us live from Racine with details that are just developing within the last hour. Adam.
They are after 3.5 years of public debate and 3.5 hours of deliberation. The jury in Harry Waite's election fraud trial delivers a split verdict. He is guilty on 3 of the counts he faces, not guilty on 1. First, the not guilty, a felony identity theft against Robin Voss count. The other 3, 2 misdemeanor election fraud cases, were guilty, and 1 count of identity theft, a felony against Corey Mason, also guilty. So guilty of 3, not guilty of 1. And Harry Waite was not surprised by any of this. He told us shortly after, when you poke the bear, meaning the system, he said, this is what you get sometimes. It followed a very long day in court that started at about 8:30 this morning and included testimony from Harry Waite himself. He was combative with the state's attorney as they talked about his motive. And that's what this case hinged on, whether Harry Waite intended to benefit from those absentee ballots that he requested in the names of Robin Voss and Corey Mason. Shortly after the verdict was read, there were tears for many of Waite's supporters that were in the gallery yesterday and today, who stuck with him all along over the past several years, but not for Harry Waite. Here's what he told us just moments ago.
I'm not disappointed in the verdict. I put the jurors in a very hard spot because I admitted I ordered the 2 ballots. And I admitted that I was not Robin Voss or Corey Mason. And, I wanted to test the system. I did test it. I did return their ballots unopened. And, this is what you get sometimes when you're in the fight.
Harry Waite got condemnation from just about every corner of the political spectrum for his actions back in 2022. Elections officials were outraged that he would do this against the law on the election system. And Democrats like Mayor Corey Mason from here in Racine and Republicans like Speaker Voss also upset with what he did, and in their testimony yesterday compared him to setting fire to a house just to prove the fire department doesn't show up in time, or robbing a bank and then giving the money back. Ultimately guilty on 3 counts. Next comes the sentencing. No date yet because they're still trying to work out the schedules, but Harry Waite told us his attorney does plan to file an appeal. Back to you from Racine.
All right, Adam Reif live with this late-breaking verdict in the Waite trial. Adam, thank you very much.